Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out yet another Poetic case review. Huge shout out to Poetic for giving me the opportunity to represent. Today we're going to be reviewing the Neon Series Black case for the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Super stoked to be able to share this case with all of you. Another great choice to protect your investment. You cannot go wrong with Poetic. Look at that case. Look at that neon orange all the way around that hard plastic polycarbonate back. Got the Poetic brand name there. Lots of grip right in here. The left, right hand side of the back, or however you want to see that, right, left, if you're looking at it that way. You're going to have lots of textured grip on the left and right hand side back of the case there. Yeah, Poetic. All right. This is a two-piece case, by the way. You got that hard shell back plus the TPU inner part of the case. P for Poetic there. There's that grip. Your volume rocker, power button will be covered up. You're going to have plenty of grip along the sides, textured grip, that ridged area right in there, right there, and where the power button volume rocker are located. Those two areas, the palm of your hand and along the sides, yeah, that just feels really, really good. Very nice, soft, matte texture on the inside to help cushion the back of your Google Pixel 8 Pro. This case has been military drop tested. You got shock absorbing TPU corners. Hopefully you don't drop your Google Pixel 8 Pro, but if you do, this case is going to do everything it can to protect that spendy little guy right there. Yeah, I love the texture on the inside. Feels really, really nice. All right, let's go ahead and put my 8 Pro inside of the case here. At the bottom, got some cutouts there for the speaker, mic, and USB Type-C charging port. A lot of space for those areas, and plenty of depth to keep dirt, dust, and lint out of there as well. Man, I just love all of that grip. So if you're going to ask me down below in the comment section, is it grippy? Yes. Let me say it again. Yes, it is grippy. Definitely grippy. A lot of lip and depth for the camera area. You will be able to take great quality pictures and shoot great quality video with all of that space. Flat surface is a little bit rough. You're good to go. Anything rougher than that, please use your discretion. Again, if you're sporting protection over that camera bar, should be good to go. As far as the lips surrounding the actual display, or should I say Super Actua? It's the Super Actua. Now on the front, plenty of lip and depth surrounding the Super Actua display. Got this recessed area right in here for the combo earpiece and speaker. I'm sporting a tempered glass screen protector. I'll leave a link for that down below in the description area along with the case itself. I don't know if I mentioned that at the beginning of the video, but you know, I'm going to leave everything you need to know down below in that description area, okay? So on a flat surface is a little bit rough, you're good to go. Anything rougher than that, you should be okay with a tempered glass screen protector. Poetic does carry this exact same case, but with magnet for MagSafe. The link's down below in the description area for Amazon and Poetic. You can find that specific case. And if that's something that you want to utilize as far as that magnet for MagSafe, then you can go shopping. But right here, I have a Samsung wireless charger, which you're not going to have any issues getting the wireless charging that you need for your Google Pixel 8 Pro with the neon black case. Once again, huge shout out Poetic for giving me the opportunity. And to all of you for taking the time to watch. I appreciate you very, very much. Till my next video. This is my Project 13. God bless. Peace. I am out. Look at that neon orange, man. It actually looks like it's lit up. That is so cool. Wow. I'm digging it.